Today, I want to give you an update on the new Outlook for Windows. On June 16, 2023, Microsoft released a date when users can no longer use the classic mail and calendar apps. Drum roll, please. Add some drum rolls in the comments. September 2024. Based on the details in the Message Center and Microsoft's websites, starting September 2024, you can no longer use the older Outlook apps for your mail accounts and calendars. Now, for Microsoft 365 work or school accounts, the new Outlook for Windows is the only Outlook for Windows. So the Try It Now button will no longer be available to switch between the classic version and the new version, the functionality that we have today. Now, they did state this, and I'm going to just read it to you because I was a little confused about what they were, saying. They said users are able to use the new Outlook for Windows with any personal email account, Outlook.com, Gmail, even without a subscription. So it's just that last piece. I'm a little confused when they said even without a subscription. Now, what I do know is, Outlook for Windows, that you can add your Gmail accounts. I know that you will be able to add your Yahoo accounts a little later on. If you want to stay connected to Microsoft 365 and new Outlook tricks, tips, and news, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I also recommend that you share this video with others. Now, some additional information that Microsoft posted on their website. They said starting in 2024, any new Windows 11 devices will include the new Outlook for Windows version as the default mailbox application. So keep that in mind, any new computers that you buy, that this will be the default. There will not be the ability to switch between the classic and the new version. They also stated that the Microsoft Store will remove the apps at the end of 2024. Again, a little bit of confusion here because on the Message Center, they said September, and then on their website, they said the end of 24. No matter, at some point, you will not be able to download those apps in 2024. Okay, so what do you need to do? Nothing at this point other than click that Try It button now. Start using the new Outlook for Windows versions for a smooth transition come next year. Watch my video where I discuss 5 reasons to be an early adopter versus waiting until Microsoft pull that plug. I also have a playlist of videos that will assist you as well. So the only other advice that I would give you, explore, experiment so you can execute effectively. Now, go work your magic.